Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PS5 that keeps turning off. First, check your power connections thoroughly. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the console and a working wall outlet, bypassing any power strips if possible. Sometimes, a loose connection or a faulty power source can be the simple culprit behind unexpected shutdowns. Try plugging directly into a different wall socket to rule out any issues with your current power supply. A quick check of these basic elements can often resolve the problem immediately. Proper ventilation is crucial for your PS5 health and can prevent sudden shutdowns. Make sure your console is placed in an open area, allowing at least 5 inches of space around all its sides. Dust accumulation is a major culprit for overheating, as it blocks essential airflow within the system. You should regularly clean the console's vents gently with compressed air. Keeping your PS5 cool ensures its optimal performance and longevity. Sometimes, a software glitch or a corrupted database can cause your PS5 to power off unexpectedly. You can address this by starting your console in safe mode, which provides access to critical maintenance options. Within safe mode, choose the option to rebuild database, which helps organize your console's files efficiently. Always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated to the latest version, as these updates often contain stability improvements and bug fixes. If basic checks and software fixes do not resolve the issue, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember it will erase all user data. Also, try disconnecting any external hard drives to confirm they are not causing the problem. You might also test your console with an alternate HDMI cable and display to eliminate those variables. If your PlayStation 5 continues to turn off unexpectedly after these steps, it's best to contact PlayStation support for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.